back, everyone. My name is Jermaine. Please, this is another tutorial. We're going to be talking about how to use Webmaster tools in order to monitor your performance in search engine. Okay, so just like I said before, Google search engine is the major player right now for obtaining traffic. So you want to know where you stand in Google search, the keywords that people are finding you with. You want to see those keywords. So I'm going to take you in the back end of my the Webmaster tools that I have for myself. I'm going to show you my results and what's going on with me. So I'm going to go Google Webmaster tools. It's easier to reach Webmaster tools through just Googling Webmaster tools on Google. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. It says Webmaster tools, Webmaster tools. I'm going to show you how to submit it and verify your own websites. All right, we're going to scroll down here. I'm going to show you an example of what I mean about the your traffic and keywords that you rank for. Let's see. I'm going to go with how many weeks are in a year. Now let's look at this website and let's check out the amount of, you see I got 1,480 total clicks. Let's look at the analytics. Press search analytics. Okay, that is the clicks. This is the queries. Okay, let's look at the queries. The queries are the keywords that people have found me using. The keywords people have used to find to come across my website, not actually click on it, but they've brushed across it, like it's impressions, like impressions made, and some clicks. You see what I'm saying? Like some clicks may have been made, but just showing up, just showing up, you know, just going past the website. People see it. It's almost like impressions, and even as you know, when people see the website and they click on it, for every little click, every just one click, it's going to show up here in Google and not Google Analytics, but the Webmaster tools here. So that's what it is. That's basically what it is. It's showing you the keywords that you're ranking for, and then people are going past. It's just basically like if I had Googled something randomly, and Google would track an impression wherein somebody may have seen your website, but they didn't click on anything. Maybe they did click on something. It'll reveal it. So let's look at the impressions. Just the impressions alone is a lot. As you can see right here, I get a lot of impressions daily with this website. A lot of impressions. As you can see, how many weeks in a year, I get a lot of impressions, but I don't get so many clicks per day because the answers are already answered above this keyword. So look out for things like that. If answers are being answered already for certain websites, you may not get that much traffic, but a lot of impressions may brush across your website. Not clicks, but impressions. I get a lot of impressions. Okay, the click-through rate, that's how many people actually click through my website. It's the percentages of them. You got your position, what position you are ranking for keywords. Let's see here. I'm ranking let's say number 1 for how many weeks are in a year, how many weeks are in a year together, consolidated, and how many weeks are in a year. And you see how they spell it. It's still in position here. These are actual human these are human actual reactions to, like, you know, actually typing keywords. These are keywords people are typing in the search engine and finding me throughout the search network. So I'm in position 1 here, and obviously they haven't updated it because I've been knocked down a couple. But it is what it is. This is how it is. This is an awesome tool. Webmaster Tools is awesome for keeping track of where your website stands in search. Okay, this is a tool by Google, so of course it would be crazy not to use them. You get your pages here, the countries people are searching for your website from. Where are they from? Searching. I got North Korea here. I'm number 4. I'm number 4 for North Korea. That's amazing. So you see all these other countries. Nigeria. That's awesome. See. So how do I submit a website? How do you submit a website? Simple. Okay, let's go to Search Console. Now that I've shown you what to expect when you start receiving traffic, start getting search traffic, expect something of that magnitude. If you work really hard on your website, you get links, you get traffic, and you begin to get organic traffic that you don't have to go out and get it. Search will reward you with those keywords. Okay, so anyhow, add property. Simply add property. I'm gonna go here, press copy. I'm gonna get this website added, this property. Okay, press add. Okay, and it says recommended method. Let's go to the alternative method here. Let's go to alternative method. Go to HTML tag. It's better to get verified through HTML because you can reach your HTML files on Blogspot much quicker than you can just, it's simple as downloading or uploading to your server. Don't want to do all that. So if you choose to, it's your choice. So we'll go to dashboard and go to appearance. You go to editor. All right, now I understand, okay, about editing files. I have no problem with editing files. So to edit files, you must see, go down to where it says theme header. Click on theme header. Okay. All right. Let's scroll down a little. Okay, where you want to place this file that we just copied from here. This file will be just copied. Place it right here where it says the header, the opening tag for header. Go ahead and paste it right here. Okay? Simple as that. Just paste it. Just like that. Just paste it. Right under header. Not in the closing header, between the between the open header and the closing header. You want to place this piece of code, okay? After you've done that, press update file. First press update file before you go back to the search console right here. And then after you press update file, go to verify. Let me see here. All right, apps, I did something wrong. I'm sorry. Let me see. Paste. Okay, press update file. Okay, and now let me try it again. Press verify. Okay, there we go. It says congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership of jermaineplease.com/blog. Press continue. Okay, so nothing has been recorded. The search analytics, I have no available data at this time because this is a brand new blog. So you would expect nothing to be listed at this time. Okay, so I would have to work on it, add posts, market the blog, and do different things. I have crawl area, no crawl areas. I have no information at this point because it's a brand new blog. Work on your blog after you submit it to Webmaster Tools. Work on it, get analytics, work on it so data can be generated in order for you to monitor it and scale your blog and see where it ranks in search. Okay, so that is how you submit to Webmaster Tools, and you what to expect as far as keywords go and measuring where it is in search. Thank you all for joining me in this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.